Roof racks on your Toyota offer a convenient and safe way to transport baggage, sports equipment, or other loads. Roof racks also provide a secure base for a variety of Toyota rooftop carrying attachments, including the Toyota bicycle holder. You can find roof racks to fit your car at a Toyota retailer. They're simple to install yourself. The first step is to check the installation manual to identify the 4 rack installation points. These are spaced relative to the center of the B-pillar. On this particular vehicle, the forward rack should be 35 centimeters in front and the rear rack 45 centimeters behind. Once you've identified the 4 points, clean the area just inside the door frame with a suitable surface cleaning product. Then apply the protective film at each of the 4 locations, peeling off the backing before sticking the film under the overhang of the door frame. Separate the 4 rubber end pads and install them onto the ends of the racks, locating them according to indications marked on the underside of the racks and on the pads. Push the pad into the end of the rack and pull up on the fixation pin to lock it into place. Next, clean the front rack surface and apply the 3 wind noise spoilers onto the underside of the front rack, spacing them as indicated in the installation manual. Peel the backing off the spoilers and stick them onto the correct positions. You're now ready to install the racks. Line up each end with the protective films you've already applied to the door frames, inserting the clamp into the gap. Use the included torque key to half tighten all 4 clamps. Then tighten them fully until you hear the key click. Next, after applying some liquid soap to reduce friction, install the rubber T-slot cover on each rack by sliding it in from the end towards the center. Trim the piece to the length of the roof racks. Finally, install the covers over each of the 4 clamps using the supplied key. Check the stability of the racks in all directions to ensure they're firmly fixed. Be sure to store the installation manual and the torque key in the glove compartment so you can easily remove and reinstall the roof racks whenever you want. Consult the installation manual for the roof load capacity of your vehicle. For this vehicle, the total weight, including roof racks, attachments and baggage, should not exceed 75 kilograms. Distribute the load evenly with the center of gravity as low as possible, making sure it doesn't obstruct the opening of the trunk. Ensure that the load cannot move. The load may change the behavior of the vehicle on the road. Never drive faster than 120 kilometers per hour with a load on the roof, and make sure there's sufficient clearance when entering a parking garage. After driving 100 kilometers with a load, tighten all nuts and straps and ensure that the load is still securely fastened in position. Do this check every 1,000 kilometers. Remove the roof racks from the vehicle before entering a car wash, or when it's not in use to reduce fuel consumption and wind noise. A storage bag for your roof racks can be purchased at your Toyota retailer. If you have any difficulty installing your roof racks, visit a Toyota retailer. There, you'll receive expert assistance and the best possible care for your Toyota, ensuring that your driving experience remains safe and pleasurable.